Hey there, it's Channel Lauren here, and I'm back with another hair video. So I'm going to be doing a wash and go for the first time since I cut my hair. I think, yeah, I've only been doing twist outs and protective styling and doing absolutely nothing. So yeah, wash and go. I started out washing my hair in twist just to make it easier for myself because I know that I didn't want to over manipulate my hair, so I just washed it in twists. Then it detangled each twist with my easy detangler and then smoothed on gel and then raked through my hair with my fingers and some cold water. Yeah, so it's very simple. I just untwist 1 or 2 or 3 twists and detangle them in groups, smooth on gel, and rake through the hair with my fingers, and also wetting my hands with cold water if it's not wet enough or clumping enough or whatever. Then I don't touch it after that. Yeah, that's my very simple instructional on how to do a wash and go. So I usually wear a center part, but I decided this time around I would try a side part to give myself some bangs and frame my face because I was feeling a little exposed in the face. So I tried a center part. Then I shook it all out because it wasn't falling naturally enough and it looked really placed. Still not touching my hair because that would, well, first of all, it's kind of gross to touch with all the gel in the water and whatnot, but also it disrupts the curls. So the shaking is fine. So I did a lot of that until it fell into the way that I wanted. And this is my hair 70% dry after I ate all the Thanksgiving food and I'm super tired. And put on some lashes. Thanks for watching!